Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your FMB sketch online. We will begin by understanding what an FMB sketch is and why it is crucial for land records. Then, we will cover the essential documents and information you need to have ready. Finally, I will guide you to the official online portal where you can access these important land documents. This process is straightforward and saves you valuable time. To begin, ensure you have all your land details readily available. This includes your specific district, mandal, village, and the unique survey number of the land parcel. You will also need the correct landowner's name or the PATA number. Once you have these details, navigate to the official Andhra Pradesh Land Records website, which is the designated platform for these services. Having this information prepared makes the next steps much smoother. Now, let's walk through the online process. On the portal, you will find an option specifically for FMB sketches or other land-related documents. Select this, and then accurately input all the land details you gathered, such as the survey number and village. It is crucial to carefully review all the information displayed on your screen to ensure its accuracy before moving on to the next stage. Double-checking prevents errors. After entering your details, the system will generate your FMB sketch. Take a moment to thoroughly review this document for any discrepancies or missing information. Once you are satisfied with its accuracy, locate the download or print option, typically found on the page. It is highly recommended to save both a digital copy on your device and print a physical copy for your records. This ensures you have easy access whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.